What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Tasty Lacy. Happy Friday. I am posting a video today, and I hopefully will be posting a video tomorrow. So today I was craving Subway. Yes, Subway. So I've got the, what did I get? I had a coupon for $3.49, a 6-inch. So I decided to get a steak and cheese, and with the, and I got onions, banana peppers, onions. I said again. What else did I get? The cheese, the pepper jack cheese. Oh my goodness. Let me look. Hold on. Black olives. So I got that today. I was craving it. I haven't had it in a while. And I got some barbecue. I wanted some barbecue sauce on my steak. Yeah. And I put pickles on here too. So yeah. I got the black olives, lettuce, banana peppers, pickles. See, there you go. So how's everybody doing? I know I've been MIA. Hopefully you'll be getting some videos. You'll see me again. You'll see my face again. And I got some Doritos from home. So yes. Oh, and I have a shout out, a birthday shout out. Let me get everything set up here. So how's everybody doing? Me, I'm doing great. Alrighty. Now, I do want to shout out a birthday. His birthday was yesterday. Leonard Daniel. He follows me on Instagram too, and he follows me on YouTube. So happy birthday. I hope you had a great one. So leave a comment. So wish him a happy birthday. I think I got a piece of hair on me. So yeah. Hope you enjoy your birthday. And I got some grape soda BK. 79 cents at Kroger's. Oh, if y'all like I also read on I Googled it up. The McRib is coming back December 7th at McDonald's. You know I've never tasted the McRib, so leave a comment below if you've ever tried it and do you like it. And so let me know, and I might try it on this channel. I have never tried it. Everybody says it's good, but how good is it? And it's McDonald's. Now come on now. Let me do a thumbnail. Alrighty. Sometimes I just crave Subway. I just haven't had it in a while. It's been a while since I had it. I know I did it on this channel. Oh, did y'all know? Who remembers the song Electric Slide? Leave a comment down below. Did you know that song was based on a sex toy? A vibrator? Did y'all know that? I did not even know it. I learned that on TikTok. I was like, get out of here. Are you joking? And I Googled it up, and yeah, it's for real. It's good with the barbecue sauce. I've been eating a lot of those Johnsonville jalapeno cheddar hot dogs with the Doritos. Oh, it's delicious. They're really good. We've been getting a lot of rain here in Kentucky. And that I gotta get my roof fixed because it's leaking again. But it's leaking in my laundry room this time. Because it rained hard yesterday. We got a lot of rain. So I called my landlord yesterday so she can get that taken care of. This is good. I'm just hungry. Well, they got the Christmas stuff out. I'm like, I'm just not ready. I'm never ready anyway when it comes to holidays. My friends want me to dress up for Halloween. I don't have no costume. I don't really dress up for Halloween. So is anybody dressing up for Halloween this weekend? Because this is what it is, the 31st. Let me know in the comments. And what are you going to be if you are? Are y'all going to throw in a little party or no or what? The only holiday I get down on is Thanksgiving because it comes to food. Something popped on my phone. I don't know what. Hopefully I got enough battery life. I'm going to say something. I got my mouth full. Hold on. Did y'all know they got a petition for the Mexican pizza? They got 100,000 people to sign for it. I think I got my name on it. Because I do like the Mexican pizzas. They need to... I think they're going to probably have it back out during the summer. I think that's what they're going to do. That's why I feel. That, yeah. Like they do the McDonald's McRib. They make you wait. Because I actually did like it. What are y'all going to be doing this weekend? I miss more Doritos. Well, like I said, my friends want me to dress up, but I don't know. Because they're dressing up. I have no clue what they're going to be. I didn't ask. The rest of it is just vegetables. I got a little piece of meat here. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at LacyRenee41. And my TikTok, Tasty Lacy. And, of course, my YouTube channel at Tasty Lacy. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Happy weekend. Have a safe one. Peace out. Bye.